Are you struggling to get in front of more buyers or sellers? Are you creating video content for social media but just can't seem to crack the node, get noticed, or even go viral? Imagine being able to use artificial intelligence to discover what video content will get noticed. Now, how cool would that be? Hi, my name is Rod Ferrier, one of the founders here at Create More Business Now. I know what it feels like to spend hours creating the perfect video, only to see it get no love from the social media algorithms, which means no one notices you. And let's face it, as a result, you may feel defeated, discouraged, and that's okay, because that's normal. You've invested a lot of time, energy, and effort, and you didn't get the results you expected. So what we are going to talk about on this edition of Marketing Mondays is how to leverage artificial intelligence and a couple of helpful tools to create a video for YouTube that we can later repurpose for other social media platforms. Now, if you didn't know, YouTube is owned by Google, making it the second largest search engine out there. Unlike Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, YouTube videos are evergreen and searchable. On other platforms, your content may be seen for a few days and then drop off. A YouTube video can show up in someone's feed, when they search for the content related to your video topic or when YouTube decides to show it to them. And we are going to create a longer form video for YouTube, and then in the next video, I will show you how to repurpose this longer form video for Facebook, Instagram, and even TikTok. So make sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell right there to get notified. It's a numbers game. In order to get noticed by your desired target audience, you have to be seen more, which requires more video creation, which takes more time that you may not already have. So if you'd like to see how I use artificial intelligence to create videos in seconds that doesn't require me even being on camera, put a thumbs up in the comments to let us know that you're interested. And make sure to stick around as I show you how I use this artificial intelligence to get a video topic idea that is likely to be seen, to write the script, and I'm even going to show you which teleprompter I use and how you can even have AI write your descriptions and keywords. So let's get started right now. Welcome to Marketing Mondays. Let's jump right in. But first, do my team and I a favor. If you have 1 second to help, go ahead and like this video. It helps and we appreciate you. I want to let you know that the links to the tools are in the description below. And some of the tools I suggest do have affiliate links, so my team and I really appreciate you supporting us. And if you find the tools helpful, you can also share them with others and receive a small monthly recurring income stream yourself. Okay, so here we are inside the dashboard. This is a tool that I have been using recently called vidIQ. And when you're building a YouTube channel, there are things that you have to focus on. You have to focus on your keywords and your descriptions. Real important are the titles to your videos. Even more important are the thumbnails for that particular video. Thumbnails are what gets you clicks. So in this video, what we're going to talk about is creating a video on a topic that's likely to be not just searched, but seen, and how to create the script and how to put it on a teleprompter so you can record it, because it really does help when you know what you are saying. So I'm not going to go through everything that vidIQ offers. I think I pay like $30 or $40 a month for it, but it's been such a time saver when creating content. So let's just jump right in. These two tabs right here are what we're going to focus on: the daily ideas and the AI generator. Okay, so if you want to create content, this is our updated daily based on your customization. Okay, these are, you want to create a video. So let's just do buying my first home. When you put that in, you're going to see how to buy your first home, a real estate agent's guide to success. Now this right here shows that it's very likely, indicates the views your channel could get for this video. So this is very high chance that your video is going to get seen on YouTube. Pretty cool, right? It helps to know. So let's just go ahead and select that. Now it's going to show me the top 10 ranked videos in YouTube search. We get an idea of what their thumbnails look like. Now, this isn't going to be a course on thumbnails. We can help you with that in another video. And if you want thumbnails, go ahead and put a thumb up for thumbnails in the comments below. That way we know. Thumb up the thumbnails, Rod, that you want to see that video. So there are some ideas. So this one right here, 1.8 million views, 2.1 million views. So let's go ahead and take this title right here. How to buy. If you're using ChatGPT, that is one way to write video content and scripts. But for this, we are just going to say, how to buy your first home, a real estate agent's guide to success. Check this out. It is writing the title for you. It's writing the description for you. It's giving you the video script right here. All right. It's even giving you the keywords that you are going to paste in as well to create that video. We're going to go ahead and come over here to video script and copy this. Now, in my studio, right in front of me, this is an actual teleprompter. So I'm using a DSLR camera and a teleprompter. If you want to know more about that, just go ahead and put a comment below and I'll reach out to you. But for this video, we are going to take this video script. It shows that it's 2 minutes long. It will even give you the voiceover if you want it. You can download this and use this in your video. You don't even have to talk.
Welcome to Home Buying 101, a real estate agent's guide to navigating your first.
Me personally, I don't like the robot script, so we're going to come over here. This I'm going to put in the link below in the description below as well. This is the teleprompter software. I'm just using the online teleprompter, but as you can see, there's a Windows, there's a Mac, there's an Apple, and Android options available right there. And other language, it is Spanish, French, and Portuguese. So this link is in the description. Here we are inside of the teleprompter software where we are going to paste the script that we received. But I want to give you a heads up, something I've learned. As you can see, I have a 3, 2, 1. That way there is a countdown. So it's not jumping right from the screen. We're going to paste, Control V, and now we have our script right here. So we'll do this 2-minute script. Before we do, I kind of keep my font size on the PC at 87, which you can see right here, and my and the speed of the video around 32, depending on how fast you are able to read and talk. You can always adjust the padding depending on that by dragging this a little bit. And you can use this so it's voice activated, or you hit play. So now that we've pasted our video script, let's go ahead and do the record. You can do the voice activated right here. I find that not to be as accurate because sometimes it doesn't recognize your tone of voice and how you pronunciate, how you pronounce a word. So I recommend just going with the play. So let's go ahead and kick this off to show you how easy this really is. Welcome to Home Buying 101, a real estate agent's guide to navigating your first home purchase. Buying your first home can be an overwhelming process, but with the right guidance, it can also be an exciting and rewarding experience. Step number 1, define your budget. Determine how much you can afford based on your income, expenses, and savings. Don't forget to factor in additional costs like property taxes and maintenance. Step 2, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This will help you understand your borrowing capacity and make your offer more appealing to sellers. Meet with the lender to review your finances and get the ball rolling. And step number 3, start searching for your dream home. Work closely with your real estate agent to identify your priorities and desired neighborhoods. Take the time to visit multiple properties and make a list of must-haves and deal breakers. Step number 4, make an offer. With the help of your agent, hopefully me, you'll craft a competitive offer that includes the price, contingencies, and desired terms. The seller will either accept, reject, or counter your offer. And step number 5, conduct inspections. It's crucial to understand the condition of the home before finalizing the deal. Hire a licensed inspector to thoroughly examine the property for any hidden issues. Step number 6, negotiate repairs and contingencies. If the inspection reveals problems, you can request repairs or negotiate the purchase price. Work closely with your agent to reach a mutually satisfactory agreement. Step number 7, finalize your financing and insurance. Return to your lender to complete the mortgage application process. Additionally, secure homeowners insurance to protect your investment. Step number 8, closing day. Review the purchase agreement, sign the necessary documents, and pay the closing cost. And congratulations, you're now a homeowner. Thank you for watching Home Buying 101, a real estate agent's guide to navigating your first home purchase. We hope this video has provided valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information. And there you have it. And as you can see, something that you're going to want to do when using the teleprompter is to come down here at the bottom and just add something at the bottom that will make it last, so it doesn't cut off as quickly. And then it's simply editing your video. This is the description. You're going to copy and paste this. And here are some thumbnail ideas. So get more. There you go. You can put that in Canva, and we can do a whole nother video on creating YouTube thumbnails in a different video. I'll do that. And if you'd like to learn more about that, go ahead and put a thumbs up in the comment below for video thumbnails. Thumbs up, video thumbnails. Again, thank you for watching. My team and I are committed to your success. So if there are things that you want to discuss about growing and marketing your business, you can find a link to book a call on my calendar in the description below. And we'll see you next time on Marketing Monday.